Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your environment for Jupyter Notebook and machine learning. Install Python 3.8 or newer and pip to manage packages. Create a virtual environment to isolate dependencies and prevent conflicts. Allocate at least 8 GB RAM and 16 GB disk for datasets and kernels to avoid out-of-memory errors. Use pip or conda to install NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Jupyter for core ML workflows. Launch Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab from the activated environment to begin working. Open a new notebook and document your objective in the first Markdown cell. Load datasets into Pandas data frames using read CSV or read JSON with proper encoding. Inspect data types, missing values, and sizes before modeling steps. Split data into training and test sets with an 80/20 ratio to evaluate generalization reliably. Use sequential code cells for data cleaning, feature engineering, and visualization so each step is reproducible. Save intermediate datasets and figures to disk to track progress and prevent recomputation delays. Begin modeling with scikit-learn for classical algorithms or small TensorFlow models for neural networks. Train models inside cells and log hyperparameters, and results in Markdown for reproducibility. Use cross-validation and track metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and AUC to compare models fairly. Visualize learning curves and confusion matrices inline to diagnose bias or variance problems. Optimize with grid search or randomized search while avoiding data leakage by fitting only on training folds. Export final model with joblib or saved model and convert the notebook to HTML using nbconvert for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.